Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to navigate through Windows on the MX Ergo Logitech mouse. So as you guys see already, holding my mouse, I have the Logitech options app opened, but there is the point ball, so you use it to navigate through Windows. It's basically, you don't need to go with your mouse left or right, you don't need to do that. So the point ball is the thing that you navigate through Windows and every other apps. You can scroll through it and do everything on it. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.